Jai Hind students, welcome to live class. Today we will discuss previous continue exercise. Previous exercise we have discussed exercise 6C, the based on the division. What we have done students? We have done sums based on the both two rules, monomials by monomials and polynomials by monomials. Today we will discuss its third part, third rule. This is given. You can see students in page number. I am telling you, page number 86. Sorry, not 86. Page number 88. They are given division of the polynomial by a polynomial. The steps are given. We will tell you with one example. So, it's example 1, example 3. This I am taking and see everyone. Example 3. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by 2x plus 1. Students, what we are seeing here, this is the polynomial. Here, when we had previous question we have solved, we have taken only monomials. But now, what we are seeing is students, binomial. Then how we have to do, students? You know, a simple division means, I am telling you, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divide x plus 1. Before divide these two values, first of all we will check whatever terms are given here also. These are in decreasing order or not? 2x power 2, here x power 1. And here the constant. So it is the correct. No need to change it. If suppose here given 2x plus 3x square plus 1. If this is given, so we have to change in the form of decreasing its exponent. Like 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This way we will write the same expression. We will write this. Clear students? In division part. So here we are getting this, it is okay, and x plus 1 only is given. Students, we will divide this way, x plus 1, simple division. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. There the x plus 1 is a divisor and 2x square plus 3x plus 1, this is dividend. And here we will write the quotient. Students, general division, no problem there. But if variables terms is given, then how will we divide? See the terms, steps here. Always, whatever the divisor is given, its first term and its first term. We have to check x, what we have to multiply in this value. We will get the 2x square. Then how it will check? 2x square, you can check in the rough, this is rough work. 2x square upon x. 2x square upon x. So what will come? 2x power 2 minus 1. Then 2x power 2, 2 minus 1, that is x. 2x. What should multiply in this value? 2x. 2x into x, what will come? 2x square equal to this one. We should try to, whatever the value is written here, it should come equal to here, this dividend. It's always first value equal to this one. Means we have to multiply whatever the value is given here. X is given, so x, what will multiply in x? So the value will come the equal to 2x square. So what we have got 2x. 2x multiply x and 2x square will come. Clear, students? So here where we will write the 2x, when we have got 2x we will write on the quotient. Now this 2x is multiplied to this 2 value. 2x into x. First of all, see, this is a plus sign and here also plus sign. Plus plus plus. 2x into x, 2x square. Now here's plus and plus plus. 2x into 1, then 2x. This way we have to write. Again I am telling you students. I think maybe you have just confusion. Okay? X plus 1, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Which try to this value, it should equal to this one. Means what we have to multiply in x, the value should come 2x square. So better in the rough, we have to divide 2x square upon x. This is 1. 2x will come. Clear? When 2x multiply x, you can check also 2x multiply x. So 2x square will come. And this one is equal to this one, 2x square. So this way we will check. Here we will write it 2x. This one is plus, so 2x into x, x square. Now 2x also multiplied to 1 plus 2x. Students, you know, in divide form, division form, always whatever value we are just getting here, always we have subtraction. The procedure of the subtraction. Here also we will do a subtraction. Before subtraction, we will check its sign. Its sign is plus. When we want to do minus, what will be? Plus into minus, then minus. Its sign will change. Minus into plus, that is minus. We have told you, no, students. Suppose the 4x plus 3, 2x minus 3. This one we have taken. We want to minus here. Okay? Here I am telling 4x square minus 3, 2x square minus 2. Sorry. We want to minus it. So it will sign plus, so it will change minus. It will change, sign is minus, it will change plus. Now 2x square sign will be minus and 2 sign is the plus. So minus and this one is plus. Minus plus minus. So 4x square minus 2x square, 2x square. And this is minus and plus. What will come? Minus plus, minus and minus 1. This is general rule of the subtraction. Okay? It says 1 means 6a you have done at the same line here. So 2x square plus and here minus 2x square. It will be cancelled. Minus plus minus. So 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1x, that is x. Here plus 1. Now x plus 1 and it will come in plus 1 because plus sign is greater. X plus 1, there is x plus 1. So what should multiply? X plus 1 into 1. You can check also x plus 1 means first value. First value is first value. X upon x. That is the 1. What should write here? Plus 1. 1 into x plus 1 multiply x plus 1. Then x plus 1. It will be cancelled. We will show here minus, minus and then minus. This way. Okay students? Now this is example. Now going to start its exercise. Next, students, open the exercise 6C. Question number 3. There is given, write the quotient Write the quotient and remainder when we divide. So their third number is given. Third question, x square minus 4x plus 4 by x minus 2. X square minus 4x plus 4 by x minus 2. Students, I told you, first we will check the all degrees are in decreasing order or not. 2 here 1, yes. And here also this is binomial form. So here question is the okay. Now going to divide x square minus 4x plus 4 divide x minus 2. X minus 2 students, same what example previously we have told you, same here. X, this first part, here first part, x square. Now we will check here, x square upon x, this is 1, divide 2 minus 1, that is x power 1. So when you multiply x into x, so x into x square. What we have taken, its first part, x square upon x power 1 and x power 2 minus 1, that is x power 1. So x into x, that is x square. What we want to do? We want to do what we should multiply to this value. The value should come equal to this. So we have got what should multiply x. So here we will write the x. Clear? X into x, that is the x square. Now minus is here plus, minus. 2 into x, that is 2x. Students, all this clear in your mind. If whatever value you have written here, this value should be multiplied both, whatever how many their terms are given, should be. So x square minus 2x. Now students, what we have to do? Minus and general term. So this time will be changed here minus plus. What should be minus? Here minus is here, then it will be plus. Clear? So minus and plus, minus it will be cancelled. Plus, this is one is plus 2x and minus 4x. Minus plus minus, value is beta of minus 4, so minus 2x and plus 4, it will come downside, plus 4. Clear students? Now, next term what we have got, minus 2x, and here is the x, again we will check, minus 2x upon x. See students, here we have taken the first term minus 2x upon x. It will be, suppose cancel, what will left? Minus 2. So what we have to do, if minus 2 multiply x, so what will come? Minus 2x. Clear? So what should write here? Minus 2. Clear? Students? Minus 2 into x, so what will come? Minus 2x. Minus into minus, that is plus. And 2 into 2, that is 4. What you want to do? Minus. This minus will change in plus, this will change minus. Because you want to do minus, so this sign will change into plus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus, minus. And now 2x sign has plus and 4 minus. So this plus 2x, this minus 2x. So plus minus, minus, and value are same, so it will be 0. Plus 4 and minus 4, it is also 0. So what we have got, because we should also write quotient and remainder. In your book there is given. So we will show here quotient x minus 2 and remainder is 0. Okay, no one value. Clear students? Hope everyone clear. Next, question number 3 we have discussed here. Question number 4, because little bit different is, okay? So just note it down. X square minus 4 by x minus 2. Going to the students, x square minus 4 and x minus 2. So you can see here, x is here x square. So like previous question, what has come? X power 1, that is x. X into x, now x will write here, x into x, x square, plus minus minus x into 2, 2x. There we go to minus. So what will come? It's 12. Minus, so it will be minus, here will be plus. It's no term of the x is here. You can see here. Then how we will solve? This is different from previous question. Yes, friends. So see here. If different from others, then also we will do the different. Clear? So again, x square, there are two terms. How we can do? You can do these things by two methods. X square minus 4 is given. So you know, when the decreasing order we are running, x square, after what should be value? X power 1, that is not written. We can write here plus with the 0 into x. It means we are showing value, but it is equal to 0. That's minus 4. If you will count it, only you can say x square minus 4. Because 0 into x, that means 0. 0 means this value is not counted, but only we have written here as a dummy part. Okay, helping for dividing. See then how it will help for us to divide this one. X, what we have got? X into x square minus 2 into x, 2x. We can adjust also here. Minus you want to do? Yes, this sign minus, this one is plus. It will be cancelled. Now so you can see here, plus 2x plus 0x. 0x means what? 0. 0 plus 2x, what will come? 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. Now 2x minus 4 has come, x and 2x again. Only x will come. So x into 2, then 2x equal. So we will write here plus 2. 2 into x, that is 2x, minus, plus minus, minus, 2 2s are 4. Here, we are doing the minus, so what should be? Plus is here, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, that is plus. So minus, this one is plus, so it will be cancelled, plus, this is minus, it will also cancel. So students, you can see here, what we have got the value? X plus 2. X plus 2 is the quotient and remainder is the 0. Now, I told you two ways we can do this. The first method we have told you. This is also easy, and next what I am telling here, see everyone. X square. When we are doing that, here should be x, so we can write Okay, we are just writing here minus 4. X we have taken first of all, then x into x square minus 2x. Then how we will write minus 2x? Written this way because no any other value of x, so we have written this side. We want to do minus, so here is the minus and this one will be plus. Cancel. First we will write this value plus 2x. Now minus 4 will come down this way. This is the another way. X. Now we will write here plus 2 into x, 2x minus 2 to the 4. It is the minus, so minus plus cancel. Single process, little bit different. So any previous method also you can do and this method also you can do. No problem. Clear students? Now next question number 3, 4 we have discussed. Question number 6. x square plus x minus 6 plus x minus 6. Next one is given 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. We will pull off. Students, similar this one 3x plus 2. First right here 15x square plus x minus 6 and see also 2 and 1. It means this correct form 15x square plus x minus 6. Students, the first part of divisor 3x and dividend 15x square. So 15x square upon 3x. 3 into 5, 5. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 5x is 1. Yeah. We can check also 5 3 is 15 and x into x square. So what we have got 5x will be 9 and 5x multiplied to all this term. 5 3 is 5x multiply 3x 15x square. Now here plus, here also plus into plus 5x into 2. 5 2 is 10x. Here is minus. What sign here? Plus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus. Okay? Minus 15x square plus 15x square. So minus plus minus, it will be cancelled. Minus 10x plus 1x. It should minus 10x and plus 1x. Clear? So minus 10 minus plus minus. So 10 minus 1, that is 9. But sign will come in minus x. Now this value come down minus 6. Clear students? Till here 3x, now minus 9x. Again we will check minus 9x upon 3x. X will be cancelled. 3 times minus 3. What should value? Minus 3. Minus 3 into 3. 9. Minus 9 x is equal to this one. So what we will take? Only minus 3. We will write here minus 3. So minus plus, look students, here is a plus. So minus and plus minus first of all. Then 3 5 3 is 9. 9x. Here plus, here minus. Plus into minus, minus. And 3 2 is 6. What we want to do? Minus. So minus into minus, that is plus. minus into minus, that is plus. You can see here plus minus, minus cancel, plus minus cancel. So our question is 5x minus 3 and the remainder is 0. Okay students, note it down. Question number now 8. Six x square minus 31x plus 47. Now divide. I am writing here divide. Divide 2x minus 5. Student, done everyone? So clear everyone how we can do this one? Okay students, now I am going to rough it. Clear? So next what we have to do? Next is we have noted 6x square minus 31x plus 47 divide 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5, 6x square minus 31x plus 47. Students, same procedure is here. How we have done previous. First value we will take 6x square upon 2x. Directly also you can, no problem there. Okay, if you are knowing, if you can. 3 and there is the x power 2 and x power 1, 2 minus 1, 1. 3x will come. 3 2 is 6 and x into x, x square. 6x square. So what will write? 3x. 3x into 2x, 6x square minus 3 5s are 15x. Minus, so this is plus, then minus, minus, that is plus. It will be cancelled. Plus minus minus 31 minus 31 is the minus and plus is the 15. So plus minus minus, so it will be subtract, we will get 16 and sign is greater minus, so minus 16x plus 47. This value will write here. Now students, what we have now? Minus 16x here, minus 16x and 2x. So x will be cancelled. 2 8 is 16. See, minus 8, minus 8, 8 2 is 16 and x. Clear? So what will write here? Minus 8. So minus 8 into 2 minus plus minus. Minus 8 into 2 16 x. Now minus here, here minus also. See students. Minus minus plus 8 5s are 40. Now sir, what we have to do? Minus. So this sign will be plus, this sign will be minus. It is cancelled, both are same. 47 minus 40 plus minus 7 will come. 7 will come plus. Okay, 7 will come. So question equal 3x minus 8 and remainder equal plus 7. It will be your answer. Should I note it down? This is question number 8. We have told you. Now question number 10. Question number 9 are the same, so you have to do students. Question number 10 I am telling you. X cube plus 1 by x plus 1. Students, this is the similar question number 4. Clear student? This similar question number 4. Students, noted? Hope everyone noted? We can write here divide form, no problem. X cube plus 1 and x plus 1. Student, we have told on that question, x power 3 is given. Other power also we will write in decreasing form with the 0, with the multiple of 0. See this, x power 3, then what should come in decreasing order? X power 2, 0 into x power 2 plus, now x power 1 plus 0 into x power 1. Okay, and now plus 1. At last we will write the plus 1. If this way we have to do, then we will not face the problem. X plus 1, x and x cube, what should come? X square. X square into x cube. So x square will write. X square into x cube. X square plus 1, plus is here x square. Minus, so it will turn minus, this one is plus is here, so minus, it will be cancelled. 0 into x square, that is 0, plus and minus x square. So what will come? Minus x square plus 0 into x. It will be done. Clear, students? Now x and minus x square. What should come? Minus x square upon x. So minus 2 minus 1 minus x. 2 minus 1, that is x power 1, and minus is here. Minus x. So we will, what we will write here? Minus x. Look question. Minus x, first here. Minus plus here, plus sign. Minus plus, minus x into x. Okay? X into x square. Plus is here, minus, plus minus, minus x into 1, then x. This way. Minus you want to do is minus, then plus, also here plus, plus minus, cancel, plus and 0 into x, that is 0, and only x will come. And what left here? 1 plus 1. Plus 1. Okay, sure. We can write here also. This I am writing. Then you can see here x plus 1. Okay? X plus 1 also here. So what should take? 1. So plus 1 we will write. Plus 1 and plus x plus 1. So then x plus 1 will come. Minus. This is minus. This one is minus. Cancel. The remainder is 0. X plus 1 is also already here. What we have taken after subtraction of this, then x plus 1, and x plus 1 is equal to here also x plus 1. If both are same, though we should take the 1, and sign both are having the plus plus, so we will take plus 1, and as it we will put here, we want to minus, so x, this below the x is sign is minus, and plus 1 should hit minus. So minus and plus, minus, minus plus here, minus. So both will be cancelled. So remainder is 0, and quotient is x square minus x plus 1, and remainder is 0. Students, hope everyone understood how we have done. First of all, we will decreasing order this one regarding the 0. Then both value helpful for you. We can easily divide this one. So always when you are seeing such a question, then always try to take whatever value is missing here as a 0 form. Clear? So students, do a homework. Okay, students. So up till question number 10 we have discussed here. And previous question you have done. This form is the binomial to polynomial to polynomial. Now we have understood. So students, from hook, question number 3 to 10 you have to do on your notebook, because after 10 then 11 is too large division. Okay, so next class we will tell you we will discuss, but now you have to complete up till question number 10 on your notebook. Clear, students? And we will meet next class, students. Till then, take care. Jai Hind, students.